Hello my friends, this is Earth vs Mankind YouTube channel. Short stories for Earth vs Mankind YouTube channel that got highest views this week. May 2023, Montana, USA. The hailstorm, fierce in intensity, has pummeled the region, causing significant damage to property and posing threats to personal safety. Golf ball-sized hailstones have battered vehicles, shattered windows, and disrupted normal life. Residents are advised to seek shelter and avoid venturing outdoors until the storm subsides. In this video, we see a super high voltage lightning strike strongly next to a small boat. Extreme terrifying scenes and one of the most powerful lightning strike ever caught on camera. People in Turkey panicked shortly after a storm hit the city of Anamur in Mersin province, destroying hundreds of greenhouses, overturning several cars after the wind speed reached 250 kilometers.
Ya Allahümme salli seyyidina Muhammed. Allahümme salli ala seyyidina Muhammed. Ayhan git her taraf. Ayhan git tıraş arabaya baksana. Her taraf git.
This video is beyond amazing. A high-speed camera captured lightning striking a residential building, revealing new details about such strikes. This video is really fancy and famous online, and really excited to see it again. It was a good weekend to go outside and look out. The Algeria meteor shower peaks on May 5th, giving people across the northern and southern of the country a good chance of seeing a star show. These meteors are known for their speed, traveling at 148,000 miles per hour into the atmosphere.